need you guys to take a look at a rewind of one of these situations, and then we're going to try and address it present day. Watch.
Is this your room, Jen?
Okay, go ahead. Look at your new room.
That's mine. That's mine.
Wow.
Look at the wall.
That's actually rust. Do you like the pillows? Do you like the fabric on the pillows?
I'm not sure about the fabric on the pillows.
Do you like the idea of them? You don't have to.
Not really.
So look behind you and see if you like this wall okay.
Oh.
Oh, that is bright.
So that was Jen. That was mine. We have Nancy from FaceTime here. Let's pop her up. At least we think we do.
Oh,
Hey, buddy.
you look great.
You look beautiful, by the way.
It's a day.
No, actually, I think you look even younger. Yeah, is that the same room?
It is.
Is that the same pillow? What have you kept? Same pillow. Same pillow?
Well, this is my non-Asian room, but I did keep a lot of the treasures that you guys left for us. One of them being the obi.
So what do you do with that?
I just have it in a box for my kids one day because I do it in a box.
Awesome, Nancy.
So that's what you kept was the obi.
And you're
Oh.
Nice.
Yep.
Age green, America's favorite.
Nancy, are you glad that you traded spaces?
Oh my gosh, we had so much fun and we were so thankful that we were picked to do the show, and it still comes up every now and again, and it was a great experience.